Each matchbox that rolls off the production line is a symbol of the dedication and craftsmanship of the workers. These matchboxes are not just products, they are the result of countless hours of labor, skill, and unwavering commitment. It is a story woven into the fabric of our nation, a symbol of hope and progress. The matchbox industry is deeply embedded in the cultural and economic landscape of Pakistan. It represents the ingenuity and entrepreneurial spirit that drives the nation forward. The workers, clad in traditional attire, are the backbone of this industry, carrying forward a legacy of excellence and perseverance. This unassuming industry illuminates not just homes, but also the lives of countless individuals who contribute to its success. The smiles on the faces of the workers as they hold up a finished matchbox tell a story of pride and accomplishment. Each matchbox is a testament to their hard work and dedication, lighting up not just homes, but also their lives and the lives of their families. Across villages and towns, the rhythmic hum of matchmaking machines provides a soundtrack to daily life. The steady rhythmic hum of the machines is a constant presence, a reminder of the industry that sustains so many. These machines, with their precise and efficient operation, are the heart of the matchbox factories, turning raw materials into finished products with remarkable efficiency. Each box produced represents more than just a means to start a fire. It embodies the spirit of Pakistani entrepreneurship and the dedication of its workforce. The meticulous inspection of each matchbox ensures that only the highest quality products reach the consumers. This attention to detail is a hallmark of the industry, reflecting the pride and professionalism of the workers. Join me as we explore this inspiring journey, from humble beginnings to a thriving industry. The journey of the matchbox industry is one of transformation and growth. From its humble beginnings in small workshops to the modern factories of today, it has evolved and adapted, overcoming challenges and seizing opportunities. This journey is a testament to the enduring spirit of innovation and resilience that defines Pakistan. This is the story of the little matchbox that could, a testament to the power of human spirit and ingenuity. It is a story of triumph and perseverance, of ordinary people achieving extraordinary things. The matchbox, a small and simple object, carries within it the hopes and dreams of a nation. It is a symbol of what can be achieved through hard work, determination, and the unwavering belief in a brighter future. Humble beginnings, the raw materials. The journey of a matchbox begins with simple, readily available materials. These materials are the unsung heroes of the matchstick story, often overlooked but absolutely essential. Without them, the magic of creating fire would remain just that, magic, and not a practical reality. Softwood, often sourced locally, forms the backbone of the matchsticks. This type of wood is chosen for its ease of processing and its ability to ignite quickly. The softwood logs are carefully selected and transported to the factory, where they undergo a series of transformations. These trees, nurtured by the Pakistani sun and soil, are transformed into tiny sticks of potential energy. The logs are first cut into manageable pieces and then processed into thin sticks. Each stick is meticulously crafted to ensure it meets the required standards for a matchstick. Potassium chlorate, a common chemical compound, provides the crucial oxidizing agent for ignition. This chemical is carefully measured and mixed to ensure the matchstick ignites reliably. The role of potassium chlorate cannot be overstated. It is the key to the matchstick's ability to produce a flame. The striking surface, a familiar sight on the side of the box, is a carefully concocted mixture of red phosphorus, powdered glass, and glue. This mixture is applied with precision to ensure it functions correctly. When a matchstick is struck against this surface, the friction generates enough heat to ignite the chemicals on the matchstick head. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in the magic of creating fire. From the softwood that forms the stick to the chemicals that enable ignition, every component is vital. Together, they create a simple yet ingenious tool that has been used for centuries to bring light and warmth into our lives. Step 1. Preparing the matchsticks. The transformation from raw wood to matchstick is a meticulous process. It all begins with the selection of the finest quality wood, chosen for its strength and flexibility. This raw wood is then transported to the factory, where it undergoes a series of precise and carefully monitored steps. Skilled workers, their hands guided by years of experience, carefully feed logs into machines that slice them into thin sheets. These workers are the backbone of the operation, ensuring that each log is handled with care and precision. The slicing machines are calibrated to cut the wood into uniform sheets, which is crucial for the next stages of production. These sheets are then further processed, cut and shaped into the familiar slender form of matchsticks. The cutting process is intricate, requiring both human oversight and advanced machinery to achieve the perfect dimensions. Each sheet is meticulously transformed, ensuring that every matchstick is consistent in size and shape. Every stage requires precision and care, ensuring each matchstick is uniform and ready to fulfill its purpose. Quality control is a critical part of the process, with workers inspecting each batch to ensure that only the best matchsticks make it through. This attention to detail guarantees that the final product is reliable and safe for use. The air hums with the rhythmic whirring of machinery, a testament to the dedication and skill of the workers. The factory is a symphony of coordinated efforts, where human expertise and mechanical precision come together to create a simple yet essential tool. Each matchstick is a product of this harmonious blend, ready to bring light and warmth to the world. Step 2. The striking surface. Meanwhile, another team focuses on creating the striking surface. The carefully measured mixture of red phosphorus, powdered glass and glue is combined and applied to the sides of the matchboxes. This seemingly simple step is crucial. The friction created by striking a match against this surface ignites the phosphorus, sparking the flame. The workers move with practiced ease, their movements precise and efficient. The air carries the faint scent of chemicals, a reminder of the science at play in this everyday object. Step 3. A symphony of assembly. With matchsticks and striking surfaces prepared, the assembly process begins. Automated machines, humming with tireless energy, work in sync with human hands. Matchsticks are arranged in rows and inserted into the boxes, their tips dipped into a solution that prepares them for ignition. The process is a marvel of coordination and precision, a testament to the ingenuity of both human and machine. Each matchbox is a testament to the collaborative spirit that drives this industry. Step 4. Packaging and distribution. Finally, the completed matchboxes are inspected, counted, and packaged for distribution. They are carefully placed in larger boxes, ready to be shipped to every corner of Pakistan and beyond. From bustling cities to remote villages, these matchboxes will soon light stoves, lamps, and countless other flames. The journey from raw materials to finished product is complete, a testament to the hard work of countless individuals who have poured their dedication into each box.